Today we have one of my all-time favorite games. It's called Let's Go Fishing. And joining us, it's Elsa and Spiderman. Hi guys!
This fishing game has 5 different sea animals. Like this red shark. This is an orange pufferfish. Here we have a green fish. We have a blue clam. And this is a blue lobster claw. Okay, we have Team Spidey on the left and Team Elsa on the right. There's a fish tank with a surprise bag inside. Whoever wins gets to open it. Are you guys ready? Ready, set, go!
We're all done. Okay, let's count and see who the winner is. We're gonna start off with Elsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Good job, Elsa. You got 27 points. Now it's your turn, Spider-Man. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You got 15, Spider-Man. Way to go. Elsa is the winner. Yay! Congratulations, Elsa. This is your prize, Elsa. You got a Finding Dory blind bag. Let's open it up and see what we got. Look at how beautiful. It's a Bailey keyring. That's it for today, guys. I had so much fun playing this game. See you in the next video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.